So if you are a fresher and want to come into the field of data analytics, or if you are experienced and want to switch your domain to data analytics, so make sure to subscribe this channel because here we do not bring only job notification but also upgrade your skills. So hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. We have three opportunities for you people. First is data analyst intern. Second is junior business analyst in Salton Solution. And third is of growth analyst. So we weekly bring up all the data analytics job opportunity for freshers. So if you are coming first time to the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel. So starting with this internship opportunity, it is coming from the Newton Brain Private Solution. So for those who don't know about a New Brain Solution Private Limited, so it is a software company based on Mumbai. So it is a newly established company. You can get a lot of learnings and work exposure over here, and they are designing for zero experience with a monthly salary of 7,000. Now coming to the job description, so managing master data including creation, update and deletion of database, managing users and users role, provide quality assurance of imported data and working with the quality assurance analyst, commissioning and decommissioning of data sets, processing confidential data and information according to guidelines, helping develop reports and analysis, managing and designing the reports environment including data sources, security and metadata, supporting the data warehouse in identifying and revising reporting requirements. So here basically you have to work with the data analyst team where you will be commissioning and decommissioning large data sets, making reports, gathering requirements from the business to include different data sets, helping them developing reports and analysis. So coming to skills that they are desiring, so active listening, complex problem solving, critical thinking. Now about the preferred qualification. So bachelor degrees from the university or college in computer science or any other relevant field will be eligible. So if you have any kind of work experience as a data analyst, you will get more preference. You must have ability to work with the stakeholder to assess potential risks, ability to analyze existing tools and databases and provide software solution and recommendation. The most important thing, you must have ability to translate business requirement into non-technical. So benefits, you will be getting 7,000 per month salary, which is quite good if you are opting for an internship. And job application is going to start on 23rd March and ending on 23rd April. So if you want to apply for this position, you can apply from the link given in the description. Now coming to the next job opening, that is junior business analyst in the Salton solution. So as you can see, it is both serving in the product as well as service based. Coming to the services, they are providing cloud based service and data analytics, generative AI, machine learning, product engineering, and more such automotive services. So they are designing for 0 to 1 year of experience. Now coming to the roles and responsibility for the job profile. So one must be good in MS Excel, MS PowerPoint to generate metrics, change management or new requirements of client, understanding the client's need and objectives. So you must have good knowledge of English communication because you will be dealing with the clients to understanding the requirements and objectives. Coming up with proposed technical or business solution to meet client needs, writing business requirements and proposed solution, interacting with the development team to explain them about the new requirements, review of test artifacts and validate the test result to ensure it meets the client objectives. You will be helping and preparing release document and user manual of new features developed. Here you will be preparing process flow, wireframes and mockups. You will be also involved in documentation and gap analysis. Here you will also be providing training to the client about how to use the solution and get the desired output. You will be helping client to configure the system and to generate rules and alerts. You will provide support for the engagement of team and management by collecting and analyzing data reports for the end-to-end users. So the job roles and responsibility of a business analyst is different from the data analyst, because in business analyst you will be dealing with the client, understanding their requirements, objective, and accordingly communicating this to the team. of data analytics so that they can prepare dashboard report according to the requirement. And compensation is going to be between 5 to 7 LPA. So our next job opportunity is coming from Absolute Sport Private Limited as a growth analyst. And if you want to know more about company, you can pause the video and read it from here. So it is going to be full-time remote opportunity, and experience that they are desiring is 0 to 2 years. So if you are a fresher and lying between 1 to 2 year of experience, you can apply here. So here in this organization, you will be owning and growing the KPIs for the business vertical while working cross-functional with content, social, product and SEO team. You will be identifying growth opportunities in content business space and work with the business head to get them executed. Here you will be conducting several data lead analysis to quantify the performance of the content segment and evaluate potential strategy change and design new approaches and methodologies. You will be develop a deep understanding of available data and how it can be used for the different analysis to answer the question and problem solving. You will be responsible for defining, tracking and improving key metrics and communicating business trends to stakeholders. So this job role is more of the KPI analysis where you will be performing ETL. You will be evaluating the potential strategies for the business. Now coming to the requirements and eligibilities, 0 to 2 years of experience with the strong data analytics and problem solving skills. IIT, NIT, top tier engineering and MBA college grades will be preferred. Knowledge of SQL, SEO and hands-on with the advanced Excel techniques will be great advantage. So if you have such a skill and expertise, you can apply here. So all the links I have mentioned in the description. So that is all in today's video. I hope you liked it. If you like, click on the like button, mention your comments and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.